Hello viewers, welcome to Visual Basic video tutorial from Creative Mission. In this video, you'll discuss about our Visual Basic report. We will learn how to create a report in Visual Basics. So you can present two types of question, two types of topics is here. First time we will discuss about software, how to create a software and how to use it. By this Visual Basic, and second one is how to create a report in Visual Basic. This is our topics, and this is our main discussion point. We will present how to create a report in Visual Basic. So let's go start our class. Discuss about software. What is software? So you know that this is Visual Basic we are using now. So this is programming language. By this language or by this programming language, this software, we can make any kind of software like school management software, accounting software, HR department software, so etc. At that time you need to use database. For that reasons we can use any kind of database to store our data by this program. So it may be Access, SQL Server, Oracle, everything. But we can we have used MS Access database in our today's Visual Basic software. So we have already created a software which one is already installed in our computer. So go to the all programs and we will get StudentSoft program. StudentSoft. This is new software we have created by Visual Basic and installed in our program. To install in your programs any kind of new software, you have to make a setup.exe file. At that time you will install in your program file. So this is new software, mini software, to learn how to make a software. Student information, you can enter student information, and course information you can enter here. Course information, admission form, this is admission form, you can enter admission form. Result, if you need to print student result of students, at that time you have to enter here. And this is report, you can click here, you will get it report. And this is close button. After finishing your works, you can close it. So by this way you can make any kind of software. I have already discussed this. So number one topic is finished, and now we will discuss how to create a report in Visual Basic. Go to the Visual Basic window. By this Access database we have to make a report. We can show our data by report from database. So go to the form menu, form. This is form. So we will do it very easily. So if you need to make a report, so at that time you need a button. By using one button you can make your report. There is something to make you understand very clearly. I have doing this, I'm doing it. I need one button and make it report. Report, okay. This is report button. Okay, project menu. Go to the project menu, and you have to find out two options. One is add data report, other one is add data environment. This type of two option. This type of two option is very much important to make a report. Add data report and add data environment. You have got it, but very most times in your computer you won't find it. At that time what do you do? At that time you have to go to the component. project menu. Under project menu, you have to go to the components, and there are three tabs: control, design, designers, and insertable objects. So click on the designers. In this designers, you have to check data report and data environment. You have to check whose options, data environments and data report. At that time, you will get it in project menu. Add data reports, and if we uncheck it, at that time you will find it will empty. Designers, if we uncheck it and go to the project menu, you won't find it. So to visible these options, you have to go to the components, and you have to check the data reports and data environment supply. Okay, at that time I'll get it here. The first time you need add data environment. Click on the data environment, you will get it, the type of boxes. Data environment project 1. I click on the connection 1. Right click on the connections and go to the properties. After clicking properties, you will get it to connect to the axis. I think you have already got it in our data connection. Microsoft Jet 4.0 already. For data connection, you have to use this type of options provided. Every time to select or enter database name, go to the click on this option, and this is our database. Where is your database? You have to search this like this, and this if your database in local.txt, and then click here and search it, and you have done it. You have, although since you have got it, so click this database and open it, and you can test this your connection. Text connection succeeded, showing text connection succeeded, so you have got it. So connection is okay, and go to the right button, click on the connection 1 again, and add command. Click on the add command. After clicking add command, under the connections, you have got command 1, and go to the command 1 options. Right button, click on the command option, and that time go to the properties. Same works. You have to choose your table. Go to the database subject. Whose database subject you want to show in your report? Table. So table name, object name. You can use curves. Okay. Apply. Okay. I have got it. So by this works, after finishing this command properties, you will get plus option in left side of the command, and get it course ID, course name, course fee, course student ID. So this type of 4 items will have in your database. It's working. It's connected by this database, and database field name will show here, and of course we have got it. So our data environment connection is completed. Data environment 1 works is finished. Now go to the project menu and click on the add data report. Spawn it. This is data report. We have got it in MS Access, both in MS Access video tutorial. Report header, page header, details, and page footer, report footer. So you have to enter our data in the details options, and page header is the field name. So you have got this data report 1. So you have to click this here. You have to drag this option, click and drag. After dragging this by this computer, by this mouse, you will paste it here for in your details area. Drag and drop. I'm doing again. delete it, go to the data environment and click on the command 1, and after clicking mouse, drag and drop in data report 1 details option, details section. You have got it. Okay, so drag and drop it here. So this is data report. Data report will show after starting our program. So last work is you have to this form to our shoes code data shoes. So which kind of data will show in this report area. Go to the properties, clicking on this form menu, form title bar, and go to the data sheets, click on the data environment. Okay, and data member is command 1. Two types of works you have to do in this data report form. Clicking data report form, you have to choose data source name, data environment, and data member name is command 1. This is I think this is very much easy. So report is ready to show. So now we have to use code by this button, because after clicking this button report will show. So you have to write some code. So you have to write data report 1.show. This one is clear. Data report 1.show, because a data report is here, data report 1. We have got the name of report. So data report 1, that is data report 1. We have to write same name, same character, data report 1. What will happen after clicking this button? Dot show, data report 1 dot show. So go to the F5 start button or F5 or run this program. Click on the report button. So after clicking report button, you will get a report here. This is report. So I think it won't be very much difficult for you to make a report by Visual Basic by this video. Okay, to modify your report area, you have to go to the report area again. Stop it. Now you have to you can modify it. Course ID, course name, course fee. So course ID is here, course name is here. This is field name. Course fee is here. We have already done it in our MS Access. Course ID, field name. We will go to the page header and detail will show in the details area. Course name, course name, and course fee, and student command. So you can make distance. Okay. Okay, go to the start button or F5 and click on the report. Now it is visible very nicely. Okay, distribute course ID, course name, course fee, student ID. So 003 CDCS. Okay, I think this is clear to you now. So there is much gap. Why this gap is happening here? Because there is lots of gap. You have to close it. Page footer is close it to the our details area. Now it will show very nicely. Okay, Course 003 2 3 4 14. Got it. So by this way you can make a report. I think this is very clear to you now.